My name is Ba. I'm the science and math tutor at the NAS. Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this video. It's going to be on zoology. So today what I'm going to do, I'm not going to like answer any questions and stuff because we only get 1 week to the finals. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the last test we did and just like a preview of final, what we're going to get on the finals and what we're going to do next week. So the final timetable, it is like a night class. I have the class from 6 to 10 p.m., but it's going to be like different from the other timetable. The classes is going to, sorry, the final is going to be on the last day we're supposed to meet. So the last day we're supposed to meet is going to be the finals week on Tuesday. The finals week on Tuesday. So it's the normal day we get class. That is the normal time we're going to get our finals. It's not going to be like the other classes. It's like a different case. So just take note of that. So just like you can put the note somewhere, this is the time we're going to get the final. It's just like the normal day of class so that you will not miss it or just forget it. Can't take note of that. Okay, the test, what we did, the last test, we test over mollusca, the annelida, and the arthropods. So we just did the test. Before the test, I try and like study this before I just like do a quick review before the test. I just went there and took it. So after the test, I try and took like my paper from the teacher, just try and just wait till it's graded, try and take my paper and see where I miss, why I miss it, and what I'm supposed to improve on the final. So it is always important to maybe go to the teacher and look at your test and see how much you make. Maybe you can know how much you make from Blackboard, but you can look at what corrections you miss, why you miss them, and what you need to improve on the final. Maybe it's due to your study schedule, or maybe it's due to the way you did the study, but you should be able to go back and check your paper and see what your problems are maybe before the finals, because the final is like really important. It's going to be like a great mark too, so you have to try and do that so that you can get like as much as possible points in the final. So next week Tuesday we're going to get a fraud test to make sure you go look at, sorry, it's a pig test, not a fraud. We already did the fraud test. We're going to have a pig test. You can go to the teacher's website, that's where the image and stuff, and you can study from there before the fraud test, sorry, before the pig test. The pig test is going to count as a lab grade, so it's equally important to maybe make sure and study that before this coming Tuesday. So that's what we're going to do this Tuesday, and after that we're going to go over the phylum Chordata. That's going to be our last thing we're going to talk about, the phylum Chordata. So after that we will talk about the phylum Chordata, and that is like vertebrates, animals that have backbones, vertebrates. So we're going to talk about that. It's going to include like frogs, fish, and like a lot of the bigger animals. So we're going to talk about that this coming Tuesday, and we're going to probably do a quick review for the final. So the final, I'm going to do a video on the final next week, maybe during the days. So just try and make sure that you know the deadline for, you know what time the final is. Like our normal meeting time on Tuesday in finals week. Try and take a note and maybe put that somewhere so that we'll not forget. And the second thing is go back to the teacher if you don't look at your last test paper, and try and look at it and see what you make, like what you need to improve on before the final. So probably that will help you a lot. So maybe the next thing is try and do that. And the next thing is try and study for the pig test. The pig test is going to be next week. Try and look at the notes from the teacher's website. She said it's going to be on the website. So you can go up there and check it and try and study for that before the pig test. And after that, you try and get ready for the final. So today I'm making like a really short video because we don't have like many things to do the coming week. It's just like a lab, the pig test, and just after that we're gonna get the final. So always like the most important thing in today's video is just to know the date of the final, when we're gonna meet for the final, and try and go retake your paper and see what you missed to improve for the final. Okay, thank you.